Imagine waking up on July 9th, 2025. The sun streams through the window of your spacecraft, illuminating the dust motes dancing in the artificial gravity. You stretch, yawn, and glance at the mission clock. Today's the day. The culmination of years of training, planning, and dreaming. And today's the day you fall into a black hole, a supermassive black hole to be precise. A cosmic behemoth lurking in the inky void, its gravitational pull an irresistible siren song. Yeah, I know, totally ordinary, right? Just another Tuesday for a space explorer. But let's go there. Let's dive into the theoretical, the mind-bending, and the utterly bizarre. You are drifting in space, untethered, weightless, and completely at the mercy of the cosmos. And ahead, the biggest cosmic mystery in the universe, a black hole. A region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. It's a place where our understanding of physics crumbles. You move closer, drawn in by an invisible force, pulled by gravity stronger than anything you've ever known, a force that warps space and bends time itself. Right now, you'd see the stars stretching and twisting around you, their light bending in impossible ways. The familiar constellations are now grotesque parodies of themselves. That's called gravitational lensing. The black hole's immense gravity is acting like a giant magnifying glass, distorting the light from distant galaxies. Wild, right? A cosmic light show unlike any other. But here's a fun fact. As you get closer to the black hole, things start to get really strange. Time itself starts to slow down for you. Your personal clock begins to tick slower relative to the rest of the universe. To someone far away, observing you with a powerful telescope, it looks like you're moving in slow motion, almost frozen in time as you approach the event horizon. Time slows near a black hole. It's one of the most mind-bending consequences of Einstein's theory of relativity. Let's zoom in, closer and closer to the point of no return. You're approaching the event horizon, the point of no return, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape the black hole's grasp. Light can't escape from here, trapped by the black hole's relentless gravity. And neither can you. Once you cross this threshold, there's no turning back. Past this line, this invisible barrier in space-time, and, well, you're officially on a one-way trip. Your journey into the unknown has truly begun. It's pitch black ahead, the darkness absolute and all-encompassing. But if you look back, against all odds, the universe behind you is speeding up, a dizzying spectacle of cosmic evolution unfolding before your very eyes. Colors shifting, galaxies colliding, and time racing at an unimaginable pace. For you, everything outside seems to fast forward, as if you're watching a time-lapse movie of the entire universe. While you feel almost normal, a strange sense of calm amidst the cosmic chaos. Now you're inside the event horizon, deep within the black hole's gravitational embrace. This is where things get truly weird, where the laws of physics as we know them begin to break down. Gravity is so intense that it stretches you out. Not in a good way, mind you. Scientists call it spaghettification. A rather undignified end, if you ask me. Yeah, you heard that right? Spaghettification. You're being turned into a human noodle. Fun fact. You'd be stretched thinner and thinner as you fall, like taffy being pulled in opposite directions. But let's talk about time again, because things are about to get even more confusing. Time is warping in ways your brain can barely imagine, twisting and contorting in the extreme gravitational field. If you could somehow still see the outside universe, despite the intense darkness and distortion, you might watch stars form, live their entire lives, and die in what feels like seconds, a cosmic blink of an eye. Out here, billions of years could pass in a heartbeat, the entire history of the universe unfolding in an instant. As you fall, gravity keeps ramping up, becoming an overwhelming and inescapable force. The singularity, the heart of the black hole, waits at the center, an infinitely dense point where all the black hole's mass is concentrated. But nobody really knows what happens there. The singularity is shrouded in mystery, a realm beyond our current understanding. Physics breaks down, our equations fail, our theories crumble, and we're left with nothing but speculation. Reality, as we know it, stops making sense. Space and time become meaningless concepts. It's the ultimate cosmic mystery, the final frontier of scientific exploration. So what if you fell into a black hole? What would you see? What would you feel? What would become of you? You'd experience the strangest ride in the universe, a journey into the heart of darkness and the unknown. Time warps, stretching space, and the complete unraveling of everything you thought you knew about reality. and possibly a front row seat to the end of everything, or perhaps the beginning of something entirely new. Not bad for a day in space, huh? A little spaghettification, a little time dilation, and a whole lot of existential dread. Want more wild what-if adventures? More explorations into the bizarre and fascinating corners of the universe? Subscribe to Mental Escape and join us on a journey of discovery. And let's push the boundaries of curiosity together. Let's explore the impossible, question everything, and never stop wondering. Mental Escape, because science is the best escape from the mundane, the ordinary, and the limitations of our own minds.